Put your hands up. Put your hands up right now. Put your hands up. Put your.
January 31st, 2026. Officers spot a Rolls-Royce parked outside a pizza shop. No license plates, just sitting there in broad daylight.
This thing's fancy.
This car costs more than most people's houses, and the guy driving it ordered a pizza and waited for it like nothing was wrong. Here's how it went down.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up right now. Put your hands up. Put your hands up right now. Put your hands up right now. Put your hands behind your back. Don't run. Right now, put your hands behind your back.
Hey, buddy. Stolen car.
Sir, I'm not going to speak English. This is my car, my friend. You got this for.
Okay, let's walk him over there so we have more room.
Okay.
What language you speak?
Speak Arabic. This car, my friend. You can.
Back? Okay.
Yeah, I can.
Where do you live now?
Huh?
Where do you live now?
My madam. My live.
You. How did you come here?
What?
How did you come here?
Did you drive this car here?
No.
Who dropped you off? Uber?
Huh?
Uber, Lyft? How'd you get here?
Yeah, it's Uber. You can.
Okay, well, look.
Location.
Okay, you got ID?
Yeah, I have everything.
Where's your ID?
ID this.
It's in that thing? Okay.
Yeah.
Any weapons on you?
No.
Guns, anything like that?
No. It's my friend.
What car is this to?
No, this car. No car. This from look.
What?
For look.
Is that not a car key? What is that?
Could be, yeah.
Where'd you get the car from?
No, I am this car, my friend. You can address, you can ticket
Yeah.
for this. I have everything. It is my phone.
When did you start driving the car?
I don't know. You can address my friend in the Nohel from Dubai.
He's got a whole bag of keys.
Yeah.
Mercedes, Ford.
Where are all these cars at?
No, this is not me. This is my.
Where are all these cars at?
Not speaking English. You can translation.
Okay.
I'm not speaking.
Where'd you get these keys from?
So no good to speak English. You can translate.
Temport. Were you gonna put this on the car?
This? This no.
No. What were you doing with this?
You can translate and not good to speak English.
I gotta see if we have an Arabic speaker here.
Okay. You can speak?
No, you don't speak.
No, look at the light over here.
Yeah.
Watch it.
Is that him?
It looks like him, yeah.
Yes?
It looks like him.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, 10-4. صديق لي قال لي ان هل يمكن ان تستلم لي السيارة وتشحنها لي، وقام شخص باعطاني هذه المفاتيح.
92 witness file here at Papa Joe's. Go ahead.
The dealership.
You have a dealership?
Yeah, I have dealership.
Where's the dealership at?
No, this is my friend. But I have the work from.
Okay. You okay, buddy?
Okay, I'm okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're gonna come back with us and we're gonna talk a little bit more, okay?
Okay, no problem.
All right.
Okay.
Here. Got the screws for the plate in his pocket. Just gonna throw on there.
Oh, yeah, 100% he was.
You're gonna put that plate on that car? You got the screws in your pocket for it?
I'm sorry, can translate.
Yeah. We'll figure it out. More in his pocket?
Maybe something.
Oh, he had like a.
I don't know.
You don't know what this one's for?
This for key.
It's for a key?
Key from my car, yeah.
Kiki.
Key.
A little 350.
You in his back pockets?
Want it?
I like on the hood ornament pocket.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
You gonna try to get out?
Yeah, this is just my car.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
No runners today. Susie, more.
Okay.
She's not gonna like that.
Well, she can figure it out.
I'll move it.
Is the person you were looking for or no?
Sounds like it. Stolen Rolls Royce.
We figured that's what it was.
That's what I kept on saying.
Yeah. Yeah, Papa's not gonna care. No, Papa's gonna be like, this is normal when we got the SMS next door, but Nana's gonna be like, this is why I watch you girls go into their cars.
I know that he asked her name.
Weird. stolen out of Texas too, so I don't know.
That's crazy.
Wow.
So I'll take them back because I'm gonna go back.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So okay.
Thank you.
All right.
All right.
What is going on? I said I was going to take this guy to the. What? I don't know what's going on.
She said she was gonna go and eat.
Yeah,
She was like-
my food's been at the station for an hour.
It was.
Where did he come out of?
We have no idea. We're parked right there.
He said an Uber dropped him off.
Yeah, that's what he said. He has like 8 other keys in his bag and a plate. Run that plate, see where it's
He
been
had the
hitting.
plate to a like 06 Audi, and
He was ready to put it on this.
4 screws in his pocket.
I'll be transferring one male.
Because there's no plates on it, it would have gotten stopped. You know.
Sprechen Sie English?
Nope. Gotta be.
I need that bell. You work.
I can give you a phone number.
I got a dude. Huh?
Is it Ahmad?
No, a Zachy from
Oh,
Burbank.
the Tinley dude I like.
Ahmad from Tinley's on
What's
there.
his last
He was
name?
on there.
Yeah.
Alan?
Yeah, I like that guy.
350K for this thing.
It's like carpet.
Yeah.
What does that do for you?
Whoa! Look at this. Look at the ceiling.
Oh, the stars. Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been in one other one.
Little change. Little change.
It's clean.
Extreme off-road performance. Yes. Yeah. Take it or to snag a picture. I don't got my phone on me. This thing's fancy. We'll probably just take it. Ooh, the handle's on the other side. Threw me off. The handle's on the other side.
Look at that.
That is so cool. I just want to look inside. Damn.
You tell me how much this costs?
No.
350,000.
Oh yeah.
Probably headphones for this, maybe screens? I mean, what makes this 350K?
The name.
Yeah. I want to hear this thing start. At least we have keys.
The tow driver's gonna love this.
Yeah.
Look at the carpet. It's like an actual
Carpet.
Like an
Yeah. Wow.
Ooh, that Texas plate's in here. Is that the one?
Yeah. No. Oh no, it's not. They probably used another BS plate to do that. Right?
Oh, and 767. Can you copy another plate? And that's why earpieces are important too.
You got a lot of feedback, by the way.
2022. It's probably when you bought it. I think this was like the back cover. I'm trying to see. Look, you see how this opens here? This slides open somehow. I'm trying to figure out how. Oh, what the fuck? Up? I'm very confused on what this is. I don't want to fucking break it. Oh. Bug it.
That can't be good.
No, nothing. Oh, there you go. What's this?
Seat covers?
Oh. Maybe like booster seats for kids? Oh well. At least it's not a pistol in here or something.
I know. Maybe like TV trays or some shit, you know? There you go.
Hear that thing fire up?
Yeah. Probably badass. Oh yeah.
It'll be like a. Does it sound like a race car?
9,031 miles.
9,031.
Yeah.
Stolen out of Texas a week ago.
Oh my god. Why did they come to Orland Park?
Oh, we're shipping it up
They were
there,
trying to
bro.
figure out.
There's the keys. Take care of
I
her.
never drove over one of these before.
Very carefully.
It's worth
It's
more
about
than
350K.
Oh yeah, way more than what this truck's worth.
All good? All right.
They run the VIN. It comes back stolen, out of Texas, only a week earlier. First thing he says, "This is my car, my friend." Officers ask a simple question, "How'd you get here?" "An Uber," to a stolen Rolls Royce. Then it gets messy. 1 second he doesn't speak English. The next, he's negotiating. No ID on him that he can produce. No explanation for the car. But he does have something interesting in his bag. A bag full of keys, Mercedes, Ford, and a license plate for a completely different car, a 2006 Audi. And in his pocket, 4 screws, the exact kind you'd need to mount that Audi plate onto the Rolls Royce that had none. He wasn't just caught with a stolen car. He was mid-cover-up. When the keys and the plate don't add up, he tries a new angle, says he runs a dealership. No address, no name, no paperwork, just another story that goes nowhere. While he's taken back to the station, officers go through the car itself, and it's basically untouched, like it rolled straight off a lot. 9,000 miles, barely broken in, stolen a week ago, and already 3 states away, sitting outside a pizza shop. Then they find it, the original Texas plate, tossed inside the car. He didn't get rid of the evidence, he was carrying it around with him. A $350,000 car, a bag of keys to cars that weren't even there, a spare plate and the screws to mount it, and the original stolen plate sitting in the back seat the whole time. There was no version of this story where he talks his way out. He was charged with aggravated unlawful possession of a stolen motor vehicle, a felony, and possession of stolen property. And somewhere out there, his pizza's probably still at the station, getting cold. If you were the officer walking up to that car, what's the first question you ask him? Drop it below.